Hey YouTube, this is my review of the Trafficmaster 12" by 12" vinyl tile flooring. Now this does come in other sizes, but it's the same product. So I'm reviewing the 12" by 12" because it works well for what I need it to do. Now this is the easiest and fastest way to put in a floor. How easy? Peel this off, stick it on like a sticker. Could it be any easier? I don't think so. Now inevitably, when you put in tile anywhere, you're going to have to cut it. Now if you used real tile, you have to use a special saw, which is very messy, and you have to use water so it doesn't overheat. It's not recommended, but you can actually cut this with just regular scissors. Of course, a ruler and a utility knife would be ideal, but it's thin enough that you can just use a regular pair of scissors, making it, again, extremely easy to install. Here it is. I use this on my bed frame dog crate so that if there are any accidents, it doesn't soak into the plywood. I also used it recently for my computer desk platform that I built. Same idea. It is extremely inexpensive. You can find it at the Home Depot. I like it. This is the design I like. It comes in other designs. The pricing varies by design. So pretty simple, straightforward. That's all I can really say about it. It is very durable. It comes with a warranty. I forget the exact terms. I'll put it on the screen. So if you're putting in a new floor, this might be an option. You can actually add real actual grout, and it makes it look even more like tile. In fact, I walked past it the one time in the Home Depot because I thought it was actual tile and I was looking for this. But that adds more complexity, more mess. Not that much more. So, thanks for watching this review. Please like, share, and comment. And of course, please subscribe. I am still trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching.